headache is gone, let's make a beat using a free sample pack. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. I highly encourage you to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and please give the video a thumbs up so other people can see the video and be like, damn, this video is kind of dope. More people should watch it. So anyways, check these out. These are pumpkin spice sugar cookies. They're adorable and they're highly delicious, highly addicting. Oops. Anyways, in today's video, we're gonna make a beat using the Cymatics free Pharaoh Beta sample pack. They're releasing a new pack tomorrow, which is Friday, the 16th. And they're holding a contest. You should check it out. It's free to enter. All you have to do is go to cymatics.fm and download the free Pharaoh Beta sample pack. And then from there, you know, you make a beat using those sounds, you know, strictly from the sample pack. And yeah, good luck. May the force be with you. And yeah, so today we're gonna make a beat together using the Cymatics free Pharaoh Beta sample pack. I have to think about it otherwise. If I'm like, the Pharaoh Beta, I'm like, stutter on my words, because I swear to God, sometimes I feel like I speak in cursive, so yeah. So back to the opening of the video. I haven't drank coffee since Sunday. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, I don't know. Today's Thursday. And I've just had like this headache, and I'm just like, there's something in my life that's been missing. It's not just the love of my life. Sad. It's coffee. So I was like, let's drink some coffee and let's get to work. We are rocking 97 BPM, and this is a melody that we have decided on. And by we, I mean moi, and it sounds like this. What I did was I put it on Ableton Simpler and I chopped it up into 8 regions, and let's see what we can come up with as far as like a melody goes. So let's record. Hey, I feel like I have like a crust in my eyes. Okay, that sounded nothing like what I was thinking in my head. So we're gonna delete that because you ugly. Sorry, buddy, you gotta go. And we have our melody loop, yay. So I already set up my hi-hat and my drums and my bass. Let's record some hi-hats. I think I'm camera shy. You know how like some porn stars yeah, we're gonna go with that. You know how some porn stars they have a hard time getting excited in order to perform on camera? I feel like that happens to me sometimes, like when I'm recording, because like I'll be like jamming out, and the second I hit record so I can record myself playing on the keyboard or whatever, like I freeze up. I don't know why I sound so trashy. Okay, we're gonna have to come back to the hi-hats. Hi-hats sound like trash right now. Okay, let's record that before I forget it because I suck at life. Okay, so now that we have our drums and they sound legit too legit to quit. Don't sweat the technique. Let's go back to those hi-hats. Why do I keep doing that? So that sounds a lot better. Once again, I feel like we're jamming out to the metronome. So take it off. Let's move on to our bass. How low can you go? And for bass, I think I've mentioned it in a few videos where what I do is I create, I add a simpler to my instrument rack, to my MIDI track, and then I add the 808 or the bass sample that I have. And then what that allows me to do is play any note that I want. And then what the tuner does, which is an Ableton audio effect plugin, whatever, what it does is it allows me to make sure that my bass is actually, oh, hello, my bass is actually in tune. So D is D, B is B, A is A. So let's mess around, see what we can come up with as far as like a bass goes. We just got a package. Let's go check it out. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, is this mine? No way. Is it mine? It's here! I'm so excited it's here. Oh my god. Okay, so, that was UPS, and check it out! My chair is here. I'm so excited. We're not gonna build it today. Probably build it later. But yeah, so finally getting rid of this. Sorry, dude, you suck. All I did was get on my mom's nerves. It has not helped me. It's giving me terrible neck pain. I've missed a chair, so we're gonna build that. And by the next video, you'll see my new chair. Hey. So, we added some bass. We got our hi-hats. We got our melody, nice and looped. We got our drums, and right now we have our intro and our first verse, and it sounds like this. Hey, don't stop me, can't stop me. So that's what we have so far. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna finish this beat because I really like it. It just reminds me of, like, I don't know, kind of like 50 Cent G-Unit era, Jada Kiss type of shit, I think. I don't know, you tell me. But yeah, gotta mix it up because right now I have all my channels on 0, so obviously some things are louder than the other. Gotta adjust the velocity, all that stuff that nobody likes to do. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Please take advantage of the fact that you can download this free beta pack from Cymatics. Go check it out, download it. You saw that we have some nice sounds on here. This whole beat was made with that free beta pack, so go check it out. It's free. Like always, don't sleep on me. I think that's all I have. Alright, so, don't sleep on me, for real. I'll see you in the next video.